Guide you on how to view, edit, or delete a saved password from Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 or 10. For this, first open the Chrome browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon and select settings in the drop down menu. Now select this one option autofill and passwords in the left sidebar. On the right, you will see Google Password Manager. Click on this one. Now you will see your saved passwords under Passwords section. Suppose you want to view this one website ID, username and password. Click on this one. Windows will prompt you to enter PIN or password depending on your Windows configuration. Just enter it here. Here you can see username as well as passwords. Passwords will be hidden. Just click on this one eye icon. This will reveal the passwords. In case you want to edit it, use this one edit option and you can enter here new username or passwords. If you want to delete this one, just click on this one delete button and particular website login details will be deleted from your Chrome browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.